Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to do a club drug test. Club drug is a term used to describe the common recreational drugs that are available in clubs and pubs and parties. This particular test will screen for speed, that's amphetamine, cocaine, methamphetamine, crystal ice, MDMA, ecstasy and cannabis. So it's a 5-panel test and you'll get individual results for each of those 5 commonly used recreational drugs. So what we're going to do now is demonstrate the panel for you. When you're ready to do the test and have your urine sample, remove the test from the foil. If I just show you the format of the panel, you see this is a pretty standard 5-panel test. You've got 5 test strips embedded into the test panel and results windows for each one of those. And to perform the test, just remove the lid from our sample, remove the cover from the panel, and dip into the urine sample between 5 and 10 seconds. You must not dip it below the maximum dips line, which is indicated on the panel, and in this case is the bottom of the actual plastic panel casing itself. So we've dipped that into the urine now for about 10 seconds, and you'll see the dye starting to run in the test window. So what I'm going to do is just replace the cover onto this test panel so that we don't drip any urine. Now if I bring this towards the camera, you will see the dye travelling up towards the top of the panel, and you will see some test lines starting to develop first and now some control lines starting to show. Now where you can clearly decipher both a control line and a test line within 1 to 2 minutes, you can interpret that result straight away as a negative result. And negative is indicated by a test line showing in the presence of a control line. For a positive result, you would need to leave this for the full development time specified by the manufacturer. That's anywhere between 8 and 10 minutes. And at that stage, if the control line is showing clearly but there is absolutely no discernible test line showing, you have a positive result for that drug type. Now the codings which are used on the actual strips are pretty universal. THC for tetrahydrocannabinol, cannabis, AMP for amphetamine, MDMA for ecstasy, COC for cocaine, and methamphet on this case to make it clear that this is a methamphet membrane and not a methadone. So we have all negative results on this test. Bring it closer so you can see that. We've got clear controls and clear test lines. So this has not detected any drug present in that sample, and this is a clear negative result.